Who said school is the only way to educate your kids? I am here at one of India's largest and oldest jungles, which has the highest number of tigers, with my little one to educate and also to travel around. Welcome to Tadoba! It's been almost a year since my little one has been at home following all the social distancing rules. No school, no friends, very little social interaction. So I decided why not take her closer to nature and wildlife that she often reads about in books. So she and I packed our bags and made our way to Nagpur, which is the closest airport to Maharashtra's oldest and largest national park, Tadoba Tiger Reserve. नागपुर is known as the orange city of Maharashtra. अब oranges का तो पता नहीं, पर यहाँ का तरी पोहा काफी delicious है. Just arrived in Nagpur and the first thing I want to eat is the much hyped Tari POHA. थोड़ा spicy है, but it's too delicious. Tadoba is about 2.5 to 3 hours away from Nagpur, and the roads to get to the jungles is not so bad. Smooth enough to make you fall asleep. So as we explore the jungles of Tadoba, we are setting our base at this beautiful luxury property, WelcomeHeritage Tadoba Vanya Villas Resort and Spa, which is one of the biggest luxury property here, spread across 65 acres, situated amidst the wildlife sanctuary of Chandrapur District of Maharashtra. Set away from the hustle and bustle of the city, the resort offers a quiet and a green place where you can relax, unwind and get closer to nature like never before. Truly a fabulous way to experience India at its natural best. Ready to go?
Yep.
Well, so one of the things about the jungle is that you have to wake up early because nature doesn't wait for anyone. Ziana and I are now heading for a bird watching experience. Ziana, this is the greater cockle that we just saw. Well, so this morning, Ziana and I are just exploring around the resort, and they do have a private lake where lots of different kinds of birds come, and we've seen quite a few. We just saw a greater cockle. There are lots of ducks, goose, egret, herons. Wow, बहुत पढ़ाई हो रही है. मेरा अच्छा revision हो रहा है. And Ziana, I hope you can go back to your school and tell your teacher about the new birds that you got to know about. Well, the resort is huge, and I love the fact that the cottages here are well spread out, giving a great sense of privacy and luxury.
Look, that's a cottage. Come, let me show you.
So this is the premium room, which comes with a living area. It's got a bedroom and it's got a cute sit-out area where Ziana and I can enjoy our breakfast in the morning. The hotel also offers executive rooms and luxury tents for you to enjoy the jungle life at Tadoba in a rustic style. It has 3 restaurants, a swimming pool and a spa. Ziana and I love cycling, and there couldn't have been a better way to ride around the resort than this tandem bike. While we love the cycling and the rooms, what Ziana likes even better is the activity room.
Let's go. Mama, when are we gonna go to the jungle? I wanna really see a tiger.
Okay, so we will go to the jungle. The thing is that the jungle authorities allow human beings to come only during 3 time slots: morning, afternoon and night. And today we'll be going for the afternoon safari. As you make your way to the jungle, you will surely get a glimpse into the village life near Tadoba. Well, so Tadoba is the only jungle in all of India where mobile phones are not allowed. There have been a couple of incidents where people have tried to take a selfie with the tiger and actually fell off the jeep. So that's something that Tadoba jungle authorities want to avoid, and not a single phone is actually allowed to be taken inside the jungle. So I'm going to leave it here in the box. While the box will be with us, the key of the box is going to be left at the gate. So there is no way we can access. Maharashtra's oldest and largest national park, Tadoba National Park, boasts of one of the highest numbers of tigers and a rich wildlife. The forest is divided into three ranges: Tadoba North Range, Kholsa South, and Mohurli Range. The jungle is open all through the year except for every Wednesday and the monsoons. The safari happens in an open jeep, and the park has water resources where the animals often come to quench their thirst. As you drive your way through the jungles, you observe that teak is the prominent tree species here. Apart from tigers, recently a black leopard was spotted here. Tadoba is the only jungle to house them. Sloth bears, nilgai, sambar are some of the other animals spotted here. Well, sighting a tiger is a matter of a chance, and therefore it's advisable to book more than one safaris. We haven't been lucky so far, but we do have a morning and a night safari tomorrow. So we are hopeful, but as you can see, like us, there are a lot of other cars also waiting here for that one majestic sight. But let me add, a jungle is beyond just tigers. You know, the flora and fauna, it just seems like you're in a different world altogether, and just driving around the deep dark woods of jungle is quite an experience in itself. 3-4 घंटों की कड़ी मेहनत के बाद we finally get to see the sight of the tiger. It's a little far off. Right now I can only see the stripes and definitely need my specs to get a good view of the tiger. There is a water body here, and he was just here a little while ago to drink water. We saw him on his way back into the jungle. So just hopeful that he comes back for some reason. Accommodations available inside the national park situated near Kolara or Mohulri Gate, where you can spend your night. But I prefer staying in the luxurious resort WelcomeHeritage Tadoba Vanya Villas. Good morning, it's 6 a.m. and we are off for the morning safari, wearing lots of layers because it's cold.
I want to see a black leopard.
Okay.
The rarest leopard.
The rare and the beautiful leopard. Let's hope we get to see that today. Come on.
Let's get an upgrade.
Ready to go, Ziana?
Yup.
Okay then. Which animals did we see so far?
So far we saw a bull, wild bull.
Okay.
We saw then idli sambar.
Okay, there's a sambar deer, and Ziana keeps calling it idli sambar deer. Okay, and a toothpick bird. There's a bird here who actually would sit around after tiger is done eating his meal, and if there's any meat or any fiber that's stuck around his teeth, this toothpick bird would come and clean that up, and tiger would allow her to do it. See, I told you, education is not only restricted to schools. Do you see that? On the tree you can see there is laddu.
Oh yeah.
It's called bandar laddu, and this langur seems to be enjoying it.
Yeah, but why can't he have jalebi?
You get jalebi for him next time, okay? Okay, so we are enjoying our morning breakfast in the middle of the jungle. The breakfast has been organized, nicely packed by Tadoba Vanya Villas. Honestly, after a year long of homeschooling and being at home, Ziana clearly had a great time exploring the jungles of India. And I wouldn't say this experience is only for kids, but also for adults. So if you live in India or of course even abroad, the jungles of India is something that you must definitely explore, and Tadoba National Park being one of them. And if you're coming here, make sure that you stay at Tadoba Vanya Villas, as they will ensure a comfortable stay for you. Until then, it's me, Kamya Jani,
And Ziana Verma signing.
signing off. Bye.